my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to share with you an article we came across about drones and construction sites. Thought that you might find this interesting, and I'd be curious if some of you are using drones. Maybe you could drop me a line, tell me a little bit about how you're using them on your construction sites. So here's the information. I have a couple highlights from the article. It's from Construction Business Owner magazine, and the article is entitled, "How Drones Have Changed Construction and What's Next." So it turns out about 20 years ago or so, we weren't seeing drones on our job sites. For their larger jobs, you might take a helicopter up, get some aerial views. Then the drone technology improved, and the FAA came out with the Part 107 program, which found a way to license drone pilots and give them the tools that they needed to put drones on these construction sites where they can fly, that kind of a thing. In 2017, the FAA launched a new program that cut down the time to get permission over a particular airspace from like 90 days to just minutes. And it really changed the whole scope of how drones can be used at the job site. So the article went on to point out a couple of ways drones are being used. They're said to make the sites safer, more profitable, and to increase productivity. They also are able to monitor stockpiles of materials and can handle multiple sites. And kind of an interesting thing, some of them are mounted with thermal sensors so that they can see things that the human eye can't. So that's kind of an interesting way to use them as well. So they're definitely a safe way to get the aerial views. They're definitely less expensive than the helicopters to give us those. So it'll be interesting to see how those are used more and more on the job sites. And again, we'd be really interested in your experiences with them. Hope you found that interesting. Have a great rest of your week.